Thinking of getting a new fireplace but unsure how much you should spend? In this video, we'll help you plan your fireplace budget and cover the factors that impact the cost. First, consider the type of fireplace you want. Gas, electric, and wood-burning fireplaces come with different price points. Gas fireplaces tend to be more expensive to install due to ventilation requirements, while electric fireplaces are more affordable and easier to set up. Wood-burning fireplaces require a chimney and more maintenance, so plan for those costs as well. Next, think about the materials and customization options for your fireplace. From elegant stone surrounds to sleek metal finishes, the materials you choose will affect the total price. Don't forget about installation costs. Professional installation is key to ensuring your fireplace works safely and efficiently. Beyond the initial purchase, factor in maintenance costs and fuel costs for long-term use. Some fireplaces, like gas or electric models, are more energy efficient, leading to long-term savings. Plan wisely and work with a budget that fits both your immediate needs and your future goals.